Last week we learnt how to make amazing pakore, and today it's time to level up. We're making Kaddi. For this recipe, you need the following ingredients: 2 tablespoons of kasuri methi, which is dried fenugreek, 100 grams of ginger, half a bulb of garlic, 4 onions, 130 grams of blended or chopped tomatoes, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 green chilli for a mild taste, or add some more if you want it spicy, 3 heaped tablespoons of gram flour, 6 heaped tablespoons of plain yogurt, and roughly 500 grams of pakore. The first step is to peel, wash, and cut the onions into small pieces. You can even grind it to save some time. Add 3 tablespoons of oil into a pan and let that start to heat up. Throw in your onions and let them cook, while you peel, wash, and cut the ginger into small slices against the fibres. We're going to throw that into a grinder with our garlic and our chilli, and then put that into the pan as well. While that's cooking, we can add in our spices. So that's our jeera, our garam masala, and our haldi. With the kasuri methi, you want to rub it in the palms of your hands before you put it in, just to break it up a little bit. Throw in your tomatoes and let this all cook for another 10 minutes. Once you see the oil release from the sides of the tadka, you know it's done and you can put it on a low gas. In a separate bowl, mix your besan and your yogurt, and you want to create a really smooth paste, so make sure there's no lumps. Add in a glass of cold water just to get this really smooth. In the pan, pour in 5 glasses of boiling hot water and let that start cooking. Once it's at a boil, you can add in the besan mixture too. Give it a good mix. We're going to put the lid on that and let it cook for at least an hour. When it starts thickening, you can add in the pakore. Let that cook a little bit more and you'll end up with something that looks like this. Kaddi is often a mustard yellow colour, and I'm sure you can tell this one's a little bit darker. It's because today I've cooked in pure cast iron because of the health benefits that it has. You can get them from the link in the description below. Let me know how you get on with your kaddi making. We'll see you in the next one.